How to enable Optimum Performance Mode on Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable Optimum Performance Mode on Windows 11. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, we'll right click on our Start button, and from here you need to go ahead and click on Terminal. Now that you are here, you need to simply go ahead and paste this command. You can find it in the description box or you can simply copy it from here. Once you do that, you need to press enter. Now we can simply go ahead and close this. And once you do that, we need to go to control panel. So simply go ahead and search for control panel in the search bar. Now that you are in the control panel, you need to simply go ahead and click on hardware and sound option. From here, you can choose to click on power options or choose a power plan. Here, I'll be choosing choose a power plan. Once you are here, you can see an option that says change plan settings. Go ahead and click on that. And from here, you can go ahead and make the adjustment to convert it to ultimate power mode. And once you go ahead and make the adjustment, you need to simply go ahead and click on save changes. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.